Hello guys, in this video I will try just to explain that a stock is like a human being. It means it has a character and it's not always the same. Sometimes you see a stock that is sleeping. Sleeping, what does it mean? It means it doesn't move up or down. It's like trading into a range, going up a little bit, going down, up and down, up and down. And when you see 6 months, you find nothing, that the stock has done nothing in terms of price. Here I'm always speaking about price because this is the most important thing to make money. It's not the name of the company or the name of the CEO or how famous is the company or what products it makes. That makes you the money. Now all this stuff that I am speaking about, like about the company, who benefit from that is the executive of the company, who take money from the company as bonuses. Those people who get benefit of a company that is big, a company that it is making money and all the stuff, is those who runs the company or who are the founders of the company or the people who own a lot of stock from this company. And those are called the insiders, by the way. Okay, the insiders, those that are in, they decide how much money they can take from the company in their pockets. Okay, this is when you are in. But when you are outside, like us, the public, you are in the stock market, you buy shares. These shares that you buy in the company are public shares. Okay, public, it means anyone can buy. It's not specific for some people. So for example, let's say an executive, he has 10,000 shares of the company stock. Just an example. You, for example, you have money, you have 10,000 shares of stock of this company. Both you are the same, right? Yes. But that executive, he can have a bonus with another 10,000 shares from the company because he is an executive, he is inside the company. Now are you going to get 10,000 shares because you own 10,000 shares? No. Okay, here it is just to make sure that you understand that the company itself, okay, what it makes as earnings, money, everything goes inside. They benefit inside, guys, workers or executives. All the people who are inside, they can benefit from that, but you outside, okay, you don't. For example, if you are thinking about, just to give you an example to understand this, the 401k, for example, when the company matches each paycheck, it matches some money with the money that you put. From where this money comes? It's from the company itself. But you, who are outside, who are just owning shares outside the company, you are not working with the company and you don't own anything there, do they give you this amount of money? No. So you understand that it's different. That's why I told you that the stock, believe it or not, it has a relation with the company, but it's us, the people who are in the public, anyone who buys and shares, that makes direct influence on the stock itself. Sometimes even the earning date, when the company announces things, it is not they who change the price to up or down. It's us who are the public, who are the people who buy and sell, that change the price. The company does nothing, and it can do nothing to the price. Because sometimes you find the big companies big names and their stock is down. It means it's nothing. When you see the price it's priced not that much. But you see another company, okay, with a very high price, although it's not as big as the other one, which is old and have enough money and enough earnings. Okay, so understand that the stock itself is behaving sometimes separately from the company, and this stock, it has mood, or moods as they say, it's a behavior. Sometimes the stock is very active. Okay, a mutual fund is buying, or a lot of people are buying, or you see the stock is going so fast up. Okay, and then sometimes you see the stock is doing nothing, like sleeping. Sometimes it's creeping. Sometimes it jump, like a gap up or gap down. It jumps up or jumps down. Okay, sometimes it's running down, like a downtrend. Sometimes you see it running up very quick. Sometimes it's volatile, sometimes it is not. So each stock has its own psychology. It's like a human being. So you should follow the stock and take advantage of where the stock is doing good in order to make money. When the stock is sleeping, just let the stock sleep for whatever time the stock likes to sleep. Don't bother. Okay? And try to search another stock, because while some stocks are sleeping, others are active. Okay? That's why for my search, when we search daily, we search only the stocks that are active and begin to become volatile, and it can go so fast up. Okay? So it is up to you to make the search, select the stocks, and follow them in order to get the best of a stock. Now understand that for an investor is the opposite. Investor, he bases all his information on the company itself, and then he buys, and then he holds for years or decades or the whole life. Okay? But understand that some people, they have a lot in the company, and some people, they have just little. If you have little, you can't make that much money. When the people, they have too much money in a company, okay, they can make a lot of money through 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. Okay? So understand that for investor, if the stock is sleeping or active or going down, going up, there is no much thing to say about. And even if the stock is going down, he let the stock down for maybe 1 year or 2 or 3, okay, until he decides either to sell or to change it or whatever. And some, they hold for their life until maybe the stock succeeds, or maybe they lose all their money in one stock. That's why all the investors, they try to diversify. Some stocks are going good the whole life, some they go down, some they zigzag up and down depending on the traders who are trading there. Okay, so from now on, understand that the stocks are not the same on how they move and in their momentum. It means when the momentum comes for a stock to begin going up into an uptrend, it will be seen. A lot of people, they see it with search. When you search, you see it before other people. If you don't have this criteria, if you don't know how to search, you will see it as a beginner. When you see it, until you see it on the news, after 1 year or two, when the trend is so big and it's over. When you buy, it's going to have a sell off. You don't see it. It means you see it at the end of its phase, the active moment that the stock has, like 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year or two. It's always going up, going up, going up. Now, when the beginners see it, you see it at the end, and he wants to buy it because he sees the trend. He likes the trend, but he comes late. But still, he comes late. He wants to join. It's like you. When you come to a party at the end, all the people will leave, let's say at 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. and the party begins at 7 or 8. All the people who know, or they know the exact time, they come on time and they have fun, okay? And at 1 o'clock they go home, or 2. It's like the same people who know the stock before. It doesn't mean they know, it means they know the future. No, they have signals, because all the market is worked by signals. People, when they see a signal, they just buy. They don't know the future, if the stock will go up or go down, but this signal, they buy and wait. And this is what we do in our search, with my subscription, with my search training level 2. It's just to have a signal to buy and wait. If the following days it goes up, man, just wait and let the profit run. Okay? You don't be scared at all, because you are right. Now, most of the beginners, they see the news when the uptrend is done. It's over. Now, mutual funds and the big guys who want to sell, they advertise online, and you see it in the news, you see it on the Wall Street guys. They begin to advertise, oh man, buy. Did you see? You didn't see this? They will show you the chart. They say this stock has gone 200% last year. What does it mean, 200% per year? It means last year. It's not now. It will begin to do 200%. It's last year. But they emphasize for you 200%, and they amplify it. And you say, this is a winner, I should buy. It's a winner. Okay? But understand that those guys who sell you to buy, they are analysts. They are paid to tell what they say. They don't care. Believe me, they don't care. Whatever happens in the market happens. Their money is not in the market. They are out. When they get paid, their money goes to bank account. It doesn't go to a broker account to buy stocks. Okay? That's why almost all the analysts, they put a note. If you can see it online, they put a note at the end of their article, or what they say, or media. They say that we don't hold stocks for this company. It means I didn't buy to ask you to buy. Yes, why you buy? Because people are going to sell. So this information is like stupid information for stupid people to follow. Okay? Why should he say I don't hold stocks? Yes, you shouldn't hold stocks because you have never bought, you have never sold. So all these guys are there online, like in TVs, is just to make people buy something that it is worthless because it's going to be down. And you know what happens later, it doesn't mean, if the stock goes later and it lost money, next year they say, oh, that one has lost 50%. It was a failure. Okay, last year you say buy, and now you say why you buy? You see this thing that happens in the market. That's why, in order to decide for yourself to be independent trader or swing trader, you should rely on yourself. Now, if you need help with the training, it's okay. Here we have help. how to search or how to follow trend or whatever. You get some training in order at least you know what you are doing. Whenever you find a stock and it is good, you just hold and you have your profit, and then you can sell at any time. Now there are signals when you can sell because the stock is not going any further. Okay, and even if you sell and you think that the stock is continuing to go up in the following days, you buy it again. There is no problem, because the main thing is you are making money. But if you buy a stock and it goes against you, and you continue to buy it and you continue to hold, this is the problem. You hold a loser. Each day you will see that the market is against you, and then you can lose a lot of money. So in general, what I'm trying to say is that stocks are not the same. They don't have the same mood. Some are active, others are sleeping, others are jumping, others are like creeping. Each stock, some stocks are nervous. Okay, stock up, you find candlestick up, candlestick down, candlestick up. So it's all nervous. It all emphasizes what the traders are doing there. When there is a big move, all the people are there. Okay, that's why we are what we call swing traders. We follow the uptrends. Okay, I'm not following a stock to go up one day. What should I do with it? If the stock was 20 and tomorrow is 21, it means, is it for $100 that I will trade? This is not swing trading. You can do it as day trading. It means you work and you buy and you sell the same day. It's okay. But swing trading, or swing traders, are for large profits. It's not for small profits that you do the trade. Okay, there are some techniques, specific techniques that you should acquire in order to know how to buy, how to search, how to select, how to handle the stock, where you should exit on time, either with a profit or with a loss. Whatever is the stock is, you should know how to handle that stock. Stocks are not the same, I'm telling you. There are some who are runners, some who are so slow, okay, that you see the whole trend. When you see that chart, you think that it is a big deal. But then you see the whole trend for 6 months and you find what? $3. That's it. But you see other stocks going from $200 to $400 in 2 months or 1 month. Okay? These are stocks that people are looking for. It means the stocks that are strong, that when you buy, you see immediately, you see the money. And you are happy. And then you stay. Okay? It's not stocks that give you 10 cents or 5 cents and you stay the whole year and then you get $100, $200 and you say this is a trade. This is not a trade. You are just wasting your time. Okay? So swing traders are different from day traders, because day traders they trade daily. Swing traders, you shouldn't trade daily, because you buy a stock. If you succeed, you hold it many days, many weeks, many months. It depends on how much the stock is giving you. Okay, I have just a student. I put his testimonial, the 4 testimonial, on my website. You can see my website here on the top of the description. When you click the website, you see testimonial. You see that guy. He bought the stock at $7 according to my search, and then it goes to $11. And when he see like $1,200, he has never seen that much money in a little money. And the stock was only $7. It goes to $11. He was so happy to see that my strategies, or some of my strategies, are working, and they see it. It's just because what I say, if you follow it, you should make money. If you don't make money, there is something wrong in your understanding, or you didn't acquire the skills right. That's why, as I told you before, for all these kind of stocks, Each stock is different. Okay? Some are very strong, some are very weak, some they are very, very slow. That I don't like even to buy them, this kind of stocks. I don't want to stay 1 week to get $1 for 1 week. I can't. It's my mood, my temperament. I don't like lazy stocks. I don't like them. Now, if you go to do my search, for example, and you find these lazy stocks and you see how they move and you buy them, it's your problem. Okay, you are okay with that. The risk is very, very low, so it's good. But for me, I want to see at least in each day $2, $3 each day. Okay, I see the money coming. This is how I trade, and this is how I make my money. I don't want a stock that it goes with 10 cents or 5 cents a day. I stay 1 month or 2 months, another $2 or $3, wasting my time and wasting my money in that stock. Okay, this stock you will find them daily. It's not you see one stock that has gone to 6 months and you say, oh, I missed the opportunity. No, the opportunities are each day. It means daily. When you search, you find. But the outcome is different. Some you get a lot, some you get a little, some you get medium. It means you should accept what the market gives you. You shouldn't ask the market to give you what you plan. No. Okay? Let the market gives you, sometimes it gives you gifts. Sometimes you think that you can get only $3, $4, $5, $10 from this stock, and then you have a gap up and you have a lot of money that you have never thought of. I told you about this experience when I bought ANAC, 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 which is a drug company, pharmacy company. I bought it before the earnings at $78. Next day, it is $135. Now, do I know that the stock will go that good? I could put all my money, I sell my house and I put that money there. I have all my money there. Because you double your money in 1 day. Okay? I'm not speaking here about putting $500 in a penny stock and from $1 to tomorrow it's $2. I'm not speaking about penny stocks, because bigger money, when it is doubled, it is not like small money. When you have $500, $1,000, like the other guy, it's a funny story about someone. He's a beginner. He has $1,000. He bought a stock 1 day at $1. The next day, it is $2, and he doubled his money. It means from 1,000 it becomes 2,000. Now he sent me an email. He say, okay, I have doubled my money in 1 day. If in your training, if I take your training, how much I can get $1 million in how many days or months? Or I say, man, you have $2,000 and you ask about millions of dollars. I say, man, my strategy is not for you. Just go online, search. You will find those who you have no money and you become millionaire next year. Just go. And he thinks that I am just joking or something. I say, man, if you double money today, do you think that tomorrow when you put $2,000 in another stock, you will double it? Because he tried to calculate in one trade. He thinks that this one trade will do the same as you are printing money with a printer. Okay? Printing money. I told him that in the world of trading, it doesn't work like this. You can make some trades that are good. You can make others that are losers. This is trading. But there is no one who is making each trade, he doubles his money, each trade. So, this, you become a billionaire in 1 month if you double your money in each trade. I'm telling you, You become billionaire in 1 month. But this is not the real thing, because people, they calculate their profit before they come, and which is a bad thing. I told you before that let the market gives you what the market wants to give you, because you can do nothing. The stock is going up. It's not you who push the market to go up. The market is going up by the actions of the other trader, because you have done the action before and then you stop. You just bought the stock and that's it. And you see that you are right, because the other people are buying, the stock is going up. So the outcome, you can never have a target of this. This target, what we call a price target, you can do it. You can do it in day trading, but in swing trading, you will never know when this stock will stop giving money. Never know. Okay? So don't try to stop the trading, or you exit before the trend has finished. There are ways to know. Okay? So at the end of this lesson, or at this course, or wherever you want, or at this discussion, if you have any questions, please comment here or send me a private message. And if you don't subscribe, please subscribe to my channel to get more videos. And there is a free training for the chart and for my broker, the layout, how to buy, how to sell from my broker. Please go to this free training and just go and watch these videos. These videos are not on YouTube. It's just on that one for those people who follow me. And I give some information that is not available on YouTube. Okay? If you want to get to just check what I have as training in videos or in PDF files, just go to my website on the top and just check that and send me a private message if you have anything to inquire about. Thank you very much and have a nice day.